Hi everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Bites. Today I wanted to show you how to make my mom's green beans. We make these every Thanksgiving and anyone that tries them always has rave reviews about them and asks for the recipe. So let me show you how it's done. We'll start off by steaming about 1.5 pounds of green beans. Just make sure that you cleaned them up and trim those ends. And then you can slice these in half if you want them shorter. I just like them as long as they come. And I actually could not find my steamer, so I just ended up using a little bit of water, 1/4 cup of water on the bottom of the pot. Got that water to a boil, and then I put a lid over it, and then you're gonna turn that down to a low heat and just let those steam in there for about 12 to 15 minutes. I like my green beans a bit on the softer side, so adjust the steam time depending on if you like them a little bit more crunchy or softer. You can always just take that lid off and try a piece and see what kind of texture you want those green beans to be. Next up, make sure to drain those green beans if you didn't use a steamer because we don't want any water. And then go ahead and heat up a wok or a deep pan on medium-high heat. You can use a pan, but a wok is just so much easier to toss the green beans in, and that's what my mom has always used, so that's what I stick with. Now we'll add in 2 tablespoons of good quality peanut oil, and feel free to substitute that oil if you have peanut allergies. But if you don't have to, I definitely recommend sticking with it because it adds so much flavor and such a good smell to these green beans. Now we'll go ahead and add in 4 sliced garlic cloves to your peanut oil, as well as 1/4 cup of sliced almonds, and you're gonna saute these together for about 3 to 4 minutes until you see them start to brown. And with the almonds, you can add in more or less, just depending on how much crunch you want to add to that green bean dish. At this point, we're going to go ahead and add our steamed green beans, and you're just going to toss everything together on a high heat. Not for too long, maybe 1 to 2 minutes tops. You just want to kind of get those green beans a little bit brown here and there and get everything incorporated together. And you're gonna also season them with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So toss those again after you add your seasonings and give them a try to see if you would like to add in anything else. I also do usually add in about another tablespoon of peanut oil at this point because I love the smell of peanut oil, and it's not gonna be greasy or anything like that. So just give them a try and see kind of which route you wanna take. These are best served right away while they're still hot and fresh, so let me know if you guys give it a try and what you think. Thank you so much to my mom for letting me share this with my YouTube family. So many people have asked for this recipe, so I'm glad I get to finally put it out there for you guys. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week with the next recipe. Bye.